Parts car just now, you know? Parts car just now. Wheelers.
People, welcome to Main TV, your TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn your post notification on so that you're notified. Coming up in this newscast, man killed in hit and run crash in Clarendon, Jamaica. Police are probing a hit and run crash which killed a man who was walking home from a wake in Riches near Manchester Clarendon border of Spalding on Friday morning. People, he has so far only been identified by his alias Parrot. Preliminary reports are that about 4:30 a.m., the Spalding police were patrolling the area when they stumbled on the man's body on the roadway. During an examination of the scene, detective found pieces of broken headlights. The man was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. People, they left him to die. The number of road fatalities since the start of the year is close to surpassing last year's 480 mark. To date, 425 people have been killed due to road fatalities, road crashes. Further statistics reveal that 84% of those killed were males and 16% female. Since the start of the year, some 27 children have died in road crashes. People, this goes to show us that we need to be extra cautious on the road. Drivers, you need to drive for our pedestrian. We have to be vigilant on the street, both drivers and pedestrian. People, it's rough. Thank you for listening to this news update. Remember to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn your post notification on so that you're first to be notified. Remember, Main TV.